Make a great choice today with the 2017 Cherokee. The Jeep Cherokee offers superior off-road capability. This makes the Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power heated outside mirrors, electronic stability control, active grille shutters, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, engine block heater. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.